Welcome to LawnPro software. Let's get routed. If your lawn care business works with suppliers for materials, chemicals, or equipment, or you use vendors that you pay for service, LawnPro lets you keep all of them organized in one place. Once your vendors or suppliers are in the system, you can tie them to your inventory and expenses so everything stays connected. In this video, we will show you how to add a vendor or supplier from start to finish. To get started, click on the Resource tab and then click Vendor/Suppliers. Click the New Vendors button and then click Enter New Vendor or Supplier. First, you will add a contact first and last name, and then the business's name or full name. Then you'll enter their business phone number, a cell phone number, a fax number if they have one, an email, and you can add CC emails here. Next, you'll add their address. Choose whether the vendor is tax exempt or not. Next, you can enter a vendor number, a discount with this vendor, and then choose if they're a supplier or vendor. You can also add the start date for when you started working with this vendor. If you want to select communication preferences, you can click here and select if they prefer to be contacted by phone, email, or text message. This is just for your information and does not affect how the system sends communication. Next, you can add custom fields for this vendor or supplier. You can add tags, and you can also add internal notes that will only be seen by your team. Last, you can add pictures or documents for this vendor or supplier. When everything is filled in, click the green Save Vendor button, and they're in your system. That's all it takes to add a vendor or supplier in LawnPro. Once they're saved, you can connect them to your inventory and expenses to keep a clear picture of where your money is going.